responsible? The question after entertainer embarks on a major drain cleaning exercise in St. Thomas.
Oil spill causes multi-vehicle crash along Spur Tree in Manchester.
And police pushing for resources to test motorists for drugs.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm.
And I'm Anthony Lugg. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Anthony, dinner in the sky. Well, guess what? That concept is coming to Jamaica. I'll have the details later on, and I'll also have some news on inflation up to December.
Thank you, Keys. And Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Andrea, we know small countries like Jamaica and others in the Caribbean have always had an uphill battle as it comes to the fight, as it relates to the fight against doping in sport. Well, the World Anti-Doping Agency is promising more funding for countries like Jamaica. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports, weather, sports commentary, and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on residents embarking on projects like drain cleaning or fixing roads and bridges, although it's the responsibility of the state?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.